welcome to Hamsayoga. This is me Gangothriyogini. Welcome back to another mudra episode 53. In today's video, we are going to learn the mudra called as Durga Mudra. So Durga Mudra is one of the powerful mudra because Durga is one of the powerful Shakti, isn't it? So Durga is originally manifested from the mother Parvati. So if you are getting a panic attack, or if you are scared of something, or if you are fear about something, then that time you need to practice this mudra to come out of that situation. According to the mythology, so Durga is a great warrior. Durga Mudra which helps us dissolve the negative energy, and also if you feel nervous, then that time you need to practice this mudra. Let us see how to perform this powerful and very simple that anyone can practice this mudra in very difficult situation. Let us see how to do it. First, bend your little ring and middle finger like this on the palm, and bring your thumb finger to the center of your index and middle finger like this, and try to bend your index on the palm. This is how you should hold the Durga Mudra. Benefits of by performing this Durga Mudra. If you are a lover of yoga, if you want to become a yoga teacher, or if you want to create your profession as a yoga teacher, then Hamsayoga is coming up with a new course called as Teacher Training Course. So where you become a certified yoga teacher, international certified yoga teacher. So if you want more information or more detail on this, please do contact us through our Gmail. Durga Mudra is one of the great mudra to come out from the fear, increase the confidence and the courage. It works the powerful as a anti-panic. It's said that helps in protect from the negative energy, bring the more happiness, brighter in our life. This mudra helps in recharging and energizing in the mind and the body. If you are a woman, then you must practice this mudra when you feel insecure. So because this mudra helps in feel you better inside and outside too. One of the great mudra for protect our universe from the evil. And very importantly, this mudra helps in strengthening our prana. Prana means nothing but our breathe, helps in strengthening our proper way of breathing. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. Let's practice more mudra, yoga, abhyasa in our daily life. So see you on next video. Till then, take care. Have a great day. Be happy. Namaste.